My name's Gary Kramer. I've been on a CPAP machine for, I want to say 15 years. And I heard about you guys through my daughter getting a hernia operation at Children's Hospital. I said, if you guys can know of anything that can help me with my CPAP machine or any known cures, that's when they gave me you and your husband's name. And it's been great ever since. I mean, just this mouthpiece that you have to wear. You don't have to worry about the air blowing on your wife or your spouse or whatever. And it's just great. I don't wake up at all during the night. So it used to be, oh, my mask fell off my face, or I have to readjust it every couple of minutes, it seems like. But now it's just, and I go to sleep and I don't wake up until my alarm wakes me up. I honestly feel 100% better. Yeah, and I don't fall asleep on the couch anymore.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And I feel I can't say 100% or more energized, but compared with the CPAP machine, quadrupled my energy.